Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a wig video, so let's jump right into it. So today's wig is from AliPearl. So I needed me just like a really easy summer wig, something that that's easy to put on and take off at the end of the day. So I went and ordered me a 2x6 lace closure wig. I didn't feel like making my wig. I wanted something that was already done. And if you're like me, I'm not really on the real lace frontal trend. In my opinion, it's just a lot of work and a lot of maintenance that I don't have time for and that I definitely don't want to deal with this summer. I mainly would do closures, like standard 4x4 closures, but I'm like, let me give this 2x6 lace closure try, because most of the times I wear my installs with the closure in one defined part anyway. So this is the wig. It is body wave. I'm not really sure of the origin of the hair. I have to double check on the website, but I'm sure it's like your standard Brazilian or something. And here is the inside. So it has the 2x2 lace closure, and then the rest of the wig is just wefted. It has 3 combs, one on each side and then one in the back, and it also has the adjustable straps. It's 18 inches, and I think I got an average medium size wig head. I could have probably done a petite because I wish the wig, like, it fits fine, but you know, I wouldn't mind it being just a tad bit snugger. The wig comes in a little AliPearl box, comes in a plastic bag and paper to kind of keep the form of the wig. It also comes with details and wig instructions, and then they gave me an adjustable band. So because it's not as snug as I wanted to, I may go ahead when I have some time and attach this elastic band to the wig. And then they also gave me a nice satin bag to store the wig in, and then a wig cap, but I'm not wearing that wig cap because it's too light. Let's put this wig on. I have my gel braids in. You guys know I usually sew my wigs down, so I did do some anchor braids in the front just in case I wanted to sew it down. But I wore this wig yesterday and I didn't sew it down, and I kind of enjoy not sewing it down. Like, I'm just starting by, I'm going to slick down my edges. I'm just using the black Got To Be. So I need to go buy me some like dark brown wig caps. So for now I'm just gonna use like this knitted cap. So prior to wearing this wig, I did wash and condition it, and I also bleached the knots on the closure. It didn't make that big of a difference, but yeah, I did bleach the knots. And one thing I really like about this 2x6 lace closure as well is that the part already came defined, so I didn't have to do like any additional plucking or anything like that. So I've been basically wearing it in its natural wavy state. I think I'm just gonna wear it like this again today. I also framed my face a little bit yesterday, but I think I'm gonna frame it a little more because these layers are just really long. So yeah, this is how it basically looks, just slapped on my head. One thing that I'm not crazy about with the 2x6 frontals is, like, I feel like this is just a little humpy because like the closure stops here and then it's weft. So I'm gonna try to flatten that. After I washed it, I did mold it down with some setting foam, but it didn't do much, so I pulled out the hot comb to see if I can get this a little flatter in this area. Oh yeah, that made a big difference. So yeah, I was able to flatten that out quite a bit. Now the only thing I don't like is that I have little flyaways, but I'm gonna put some hairspray on that to kind of keep that down. All right, so that's all we have. Yeah, so far I really like this wig. Now I will say that if you're into more of like the realistic hairline and all of that, then this may not be the wig for you, because it doesn't really have that, you don't have that, you know, natural hairline that you would like with the full frontal or even a closure. However, like I said, I'm the type where I mainly wear my wigs or installs with a defined part either down the center or on the side, so that doesn't really bother me too much because the way that the hair falls, you won't see that anyway. I mean, it's super easy go-to wig. I feel like as far as the quality of this hair goes, I'm still a little iffy honestly on the quality. Like I said, this is, well, I don't know what origin, but this is body wave hair. I mean, so far, you know, it's straight, but yesterday it did get a little tangled in the nape of my hair, in the nape part of the wig. It was hot yesterday, I was sweating and just out in the element, so that may have something to do with it. But yeah, that was like the only thing that I didn't like. I mean, it untangled pretty easily, and like I said, because I took it off at the end of the day, it wasn't too big of an issue. But yeah, I'm just interested to see like the longevity of this wig and how the quality will hold up. But other than that, that's it. Like I said, I really love how easy this wig is. Throw it on and take it off at the end of the day. Again, this wig is from AliPearl.com. I will leave all the links and information to this wig down below. Let me know if you've tried these 2x6 closures or wigs before. Let me know your experience with them. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you ladies next time. Bye.